With a monthly mortgage of $1,700 per month and no condo fees for life, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 washroom with the possibility of a double car detached garage as well as a basement side entrance for the corner unit. We bring you one of the cheapest deals for a no condo fees townhouse in Calgary and surrounding areas, starting at $420,000. For a first time home buyer, we got a deal for you, $400,000. Welcome to the community of Sora in Hotchkiss, being a neighbor to Mahogany and Seton, where you have the Seton Health Campus and Mahogany, you know, all the multi-million-dollar homes that are established in that community. This community is full of amenities. Imagine living close to the lakes like this and spending your evenings over here. Other amenities like schools, playgrounds, parks, everything coming in the future. So right now, if you are getting a house in this community, you are guaranteed to have appreciation in your properties. Welcome to this beautiful 1500 square feet no condo fees townhome by Rohit Homes. This beautiful property showcases an open concept living, dining and kitchen area with all the upgrades you can imagine. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances and cabinets to the ceiling height, those two being soft closing cabinets. Now we have a mudroom over here. Right as you enter from the back side, you have your double car detached garage, which is optional in this price point, but again, we have those options available for you if you want to opt in for those. Now, right past your living area, you have this designated dining area, which you can also establish as a secondary living area as shown in the showroom. An optional basement side entrance for the corner units is available at additional price. Let's go upstairs and see what the showroom has to offer on the upper level. Now, as you come upstairs, you have this cozy living bonus area where you can spend your evenings. Bedroom number 1 and 2, both pretty good size. Here we have the laundry on the upper level as well as a common washroom for those 2 bedrooms. Now this huge primary ensuite is literally a treat. You have your walk-in closet on this side as well as a washroom on the other side, which is attached for your added convenience. Deals like this are indeed very rare to find. You have got no condo fees townhouse for a first-time home buyer at a price point of $400,000. If you want a duplex, we also have those options available starting at $450,000. You'll get your double car detached garage as well as side entrance to the basement already included in the price. Now this is Dipanshu here with EXP, your own local Desi Calgary realtor, signing off. See you guys in the next one.